Well, I just got this box from Grove Collaborative. Let's see what's inside. This was my first order, so that means I qualified for a bunch of free stuff. It's a lot of paper. So this order costs $25. For that, I got 6 rolls of paper towels, 4 rolls of Tushy tissue, more paper, whole lot of paper, ooh, a 16-ounce spray bottle, ooh, fancy. Mrs. Meyer's lavender laundry detergent. Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. Mrs. Meyer's hand soap refill, lavender scent. 2 sponges. And cute little caddy to hold it all in. Look at that. So the only things in here that I actually paid for were the laundry detergent and this soap refill. Everything else came with the order. So that's pretty awesome. As well as a little welcome from Patrick. Thanks, Patrick. I don't know you, but you seem like a nice guy. All right, so check out Grove Collaborative. Cool site, a lot of great stuff.